Canadiens worked out at the Bell Sports Complex in Brossard Saturday before hopping on a train for Ottawa, where they will play Game 3 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinal series against the Senators Sunday night. Michel Therrien talked about the first two games and said that both teams displayed a lot of intensity.
Just played two outstanding games. Two teams compete really hard. They were great hockey games, and you gotta give a lot of credit to both teams. I like the way that we compete, and I just said both teams, just played really, really solid out there, and you gotta give a lot of credit to players.
Max Pacioretty returned to the lineup after missing 4 games with a concussion. He said he played tentatively at first, but got better as the game went on.
I had a rough first period, and it was frustrating, get a minus there late in the period, but I knew once they got some momentum and started to feel like I was playing my game, it would work itself out, and that's what happened. I was able to contribute, and it was a very good feeling for me.
And nothing residual overnight?
No, feel really good today.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Andrew Hammond, the rookie sensation, played the first 2 games for the Ottawa Senators. He's played well, but there's some talk, Dave Cameron, the Ottawa coach, thinking that he might switch goaltenders for Game 3 and go with Craig Anderson. Max Pacioretty said it doesn't really matter which of the goaltenders they'll be facing.
Definitely goaltending is a strong part of their depth. They've had 3 good goalies there the past couple of years. It doesn't matter who's in net. I think all their goalies have had success recently too. So I think going forward, just got to worry about our own game. We can't change anything. Their goalie played great last night, I thought. And no matter who's in net for Game 3, you know that they're going to play their best, and we have to assume that always and just worry about our game, I think.